Echo Barrier is a portable acoustic barrier that offers excellent noise reduction and absorption, achieving up to a 43 decibel reduction and 100% noise absorption across some frequency ranges. With correct installation, the Echo Barrier noise system is often able to reduce various noise sources 10 to 30 decibels in the field, depending on the nature of the noise. This typical generator unit emits noise almost constantly at 75 decibels. Placed within an enclosure of Echo H9s, the noise is attenuated down to 57 decibels, a reduction of 18 decibels. Always address safety warnings on barriers and ensure the structure upon which the barriers are mounted can handle the extra loading. Refer to the installation guide for more information, which can be found along with other relevant Echo Barrier documentation by scanning the QR code found on the face of every barrier.